Hey friends, if Windows 11 search is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's what you can do. If Windows 11 search is not working, first of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab and click on search. Okay. Now, once you click on search, go to the indexer troubleshooter and run it. Click on next, and then fix it. Okay. Then go to advanced indexing options. Okay, and then click on advanced and click on rebuild to rebuild the index. Okay, once this is done, search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager. Wait till it loads. Right click on Windows Explorer and select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.